Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to our training. Today we will be looking at comment. We are still in HTML level 2 and this is part 6. Now, I believe some of us might have heard of the word comment, right? Now, comments are unexecutable code in a program. What do I mean by that? Let's take a look. Now, I want you to know that this video, I just want to explain comments to you, because in our next clip we are going to be making use of comments, so that by the time we are doing that you won't be confused about how come about this and what is this and what is that. Okay, now you remember whatever is being written in between the opening tag of the HTML and the closing tag of the HTML will be displayed on the browser, right? Now I've just written jargons here. Let me save and refresh. Is it showing? Yes. Good. If I make use of a paragraph, the same thing, and I type in anything and I come over here to refresh, is this working? Yes. Now, what do we mean by comment? Now, anything written in between comment is unexecutable, meaning that it will never be printed out on the browser. Let's take a look. If I want to declare a comment now, I have my opening tag, which is popularly called as less than, then with my exclamation mark I have my double hyphen. If you notice now, as soon as I added the last hyphen, it automatically closes the comment for me. What does that mean? Meaning that this is the opening comment, less than hyphen, less than exclamation mark, then hyphen. Why this is the closing comment, hyphen, then greater than. Is that okay now? Now I said anything written in between comment is not executable. Let me type in anything. I save. I refresh. Is it showing? Nothing. Now you are telling the compiler, you are telling the browser that this thing that I have written in between this comment, please ignore it. So anything written in between comment must be ignored by the browser. I don't know if that is clear. And the reason for comment is this: comments are used to add meaning to our code. For instance, you are writing a code, you need to, like, okay, let's say now I am creating a form. Let me say, okay, form, okay, as a form. Then I come over here to say input, right, text. I save, refresh, have an input. Now probably later on, if I'm coming back to look at my code with a comment explanation, I can easily understand that, okay, as soon as I see this comment form, okay, I'll know that, okay, it was form that I worked on here. I don't know if you understand. So comments are just used to, just to comment on your code, and comments are not executable. Hope that is clear. So in our next clip, we are going to be looking at comments more. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next clip.